You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the capital city of South Korea. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing city names as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Korean, it is said something along the lines of Seoul, 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 but in English it is normally pronounced as Seoul, Seoul, South Korea, Seoul. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.